Good afternoon, guys. It is currently the 30th of April, and it is my second last day living in res, which is really weird because obviously you guys haven't seen a bunch of my life here, but I have really loved living in this building. Today, I need to pack the majority of my stuff up because tomorrow I'm moving into my new apartment, which I'm very excited about. I need to take my decorations and stuff off the walls, and just kind of like start packing stuff up. I have a couple boxes that I got from one of my friends that will hopefully be enough to store everything. Let's get started. And I don't love the way you treat me. Shit. Oh my god, that was not supposed to happen. Oh my god, I literally pulled off so much paint. When you stoop in a perfect world, I don't know how I'm gonna pack up this entire kitchen area because I don't really want to have to take apart this utility cart. But maybe if I put stuff on it, I can wheel this into the Uber and stuff. Just like that. I don't know. I feel like I really don't know what I'm doing with all of this stuff. Update, I just went through these dresser drawers, so all of the stuff that's in there has now been packed as well. I have this stuff left and then the kitchen area. And then I think I've packed everything. This is actually horrendous. Oh my god. Good morning, guys. Today is moving day. I am running a little bit behind schedule. We're supposed to leave the building at 12, and it's currently 12:01. But we only get our keys to our new apartment at 3, and I'm pretty sure they don't come like knocking on your door to kick you out. So I should be fine to stay here for like another 2 hours to finish packing. I still have to take my sheets and like my lamps and stuff like that. And I have to finish cleaning up my toiletries in my kitchen area because some of my dishes and stuff are like not clean. I have quite a lot of space though, so I'm not worried about being able to fit everything. It's just about like getting the final things into boxes and stuff. Okay, I think I'm ready to close these. I'm gonna try and see if I can squish my pillow in here because that's what I did on the way to moving here. I'm really hoping that these are fun to close. Can't forget this. Take me as I do. And I'm ashamed to say you paid for all my dues. I still got love for you. Okay, the room is empty. This is super weird. I need to grab my backpack. But other than that, everything's gone. All our shit. Okay, we have all our stuff downstairs. We're calling a cab now to head over. I've been out of town on my fanny pack. Eyes wide open when I lay down. You try to build me up, but I stayed down. Summertime suicide. Okay, it's been a little bit. We are officially inside the new apartment.
Oh my goodness.
This is like not registering. Like we actually live here now. Wow. So it's me, Nads, and then 2 of our other friends, Abby and Cassie.
I ain't going anywhere.
We're gonna be here for the next year. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick empty house tour. The place is furnished, but we're definitely gonna do a couple things to redecorate and whatever to make it
a little bit more ours,
yeah. It's a 5-bedroom, but we're only using 4 of them. And I'm just very excited. I love the place. So basically, as you walk in over here, to the right is one of our bathrooms. This is the one I'm gonna be using with, I think, Cassie. So that's what that looks like, super basic. And then as you continue on, here we have the storage unit, and then all of the bedrooms are lined up over there. Here, we do. Oh my god. Over here's our dining table. We're probably gonna take this mirror down or do something with it because it's kind of ugly. And then this is our beautiful kitchen. She's amazing. Look how big our fridge is, and everything's super nice and new. Then as you walk over here, this is the living room. So we've got a couch, table, and then a TV right here. And then there's Nads. Behind here is the 5th bedroom and then the other bathroom then. And we just like put a little mirror here. All of the rooms are the same size, but they just look like this. Obviously yet to be decorated and stuff. But the windows are huge, which is one thing that we really liked about this place because it's actually brighter than a lot of other places in Montreal. And yeah, that is our place. I'm very excited to decorate and everything. I'm super happy with it. Yeah, we live here now. Which is so weird. That's so weird. Our situation with moving into this place is a little bit weird because we're kind of like moving everything in one day because we need to stay here for the next like a week and a half. But then at the same time, we're leaving over the summer, and we were originally supposed to have subletters, but now we don't anymore. And it's all a bit of a messy situation. So I apologize in advance if this video is a little bit messy. I'm trying to like structure it as well as possible. We're going to start decorating a little bit now, and then I think we're going to take a break. And then after that, we'll probably go grocery shopping. Okay, we're taking a break from unpacking, and the two of us are going to go to the grocery store. We just need to buy a couple essentials and then just food to like keep us going for the next week and a half. So we're just buying the essentials. We have quite a few things in the fridge already from stuff that we had in like our res rooms. So we have a couple things here, but we just need to stock up. This is our first grocery shop for like an actual kitchen. So I guess we'll just kind of like figure out along the way if like we'll need other stuff when we go and stuff.
Did you decide? How do you define the new design? The mood is mine. I'm out of line and it's
I think I have most of the essentials. I think that this is pretty good. I'm still looking for a couple more things.
all the pain I caused for you. I'm ashamed to say it's true. Almost told you that and I don't love the way you treat me when you stoop. In a perfect world, you take me.
Good morning, guys. It is our second day in the apartment. I think today's gonna be a pretty chill day. The only thing we have to do today is get some pots and pans. So we're about to head to Best Buy to see what we can find. We don't need anything super fancy, but I just want like something so that we can like cook and like make pasta and whatever we need. Hopefully we can find stuff that's not too expensive. Pray for us.
And I'm ashamed to say you paid for all my dues.
Okay, we went to Best Buy. We couldn't find anything, so now we're at Winners trying to see if we can find anything here. They have a whole home section, so we're just looking around. We just picked up a kitchen towel. We're gonna look around it and see what we find. Here, this one's $16. Yeah, that's good.
Should we get a bigger one?
I mean, we could get like a huge one. This one is 40, so no. Nice. I'm leaving the apartment for the summer, and I'll be back in August with the rest of the roommates. So that's when most of like the decorating and stuff is gonna happen. We just bought a few of the essentials for this week. But yeah, I'm very excited to be living here. I think it's gonna look so dope once we like unpack and really make it our own. So I'm very happy to have moved out of my dorm. But yeah, you guys will see this apartment again around August. Hello guys, it is now August. I am back at the apartment after being in Singapore over the summer. So we're continuing the process of like setting everything up. I'm here with Nads, and then this is Cassie, our second roommate, and then Abby still isn't here because she's only coming in a little bit. But yes,
Yeah.
Cassie's first feature.
Hello.
We made a list of stuff that we're gonna try and get, so hopefully we find everything. I need like duvet covers. I need to get I'm gonna see if they have curtains because I really don't love these orange ones. Like some storage stuff, a new trash, like it's all like essentials. So I'm hoping that we are successful. That's our plan for today. IKEA trips are always fun. So maybe we'll get some food and stuff there as well. But I'm hoping they have our stuff. Should be good.
Felt a little queasy when I laid down. Chicken that I ate wouldn't stay down. Clementine, a friend of mine.
Lint roller! One lint roller. Yay! Okay, we're trying out different office chairs because the chairs that our apartments come with are not the best. I'm thinking this one. It looks clean and it's like $50. So, I mean, I feel like it's worth it. I think these are the curtains we're gonna go with. They're not super blackout, so they allow a little bit of light in, but I think that's okay. Okay, we just finished, checked out. I spent too much money. Anyways, we're done now. We're gonna grab a bit of food, I think, because like the restaurant wasn't open for some weird reason, but the like snacks and stuff are, so maybe I can get a veggie hot dog or something before we drive back. But yes, successful, except for she couldn't get the card that she wanted.
They only had red.
And
I
that's
was
not,
like, no, thanks.
But other than that, like I got everything that I needed,
else, yeah.
and I think we're good now, so. Yay.
All the pain I'm going through.
we're back at the apartment, super sweaty because we carried everything up to the floor of our unit. Now we're trying to build the IKEA chairs and stuff like that and set stuff up. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I know, it's not that difficult, I think. So, like, I think 20 minutes. Oh my god. 20 minutes, I think we can do it. Okay, I put the chair in and we replaced the curtains. And look at how much brighter it looks. And it's more spacious because the other chair that we had in here, like, took up more space here. Obviously, my room is still kind of a mess, but I think this is a good step towards kind of, like, what I want my room to look like more. It just looks so much cleaner. I'm happy. But yeah, we're kind of just setting up the area. There's boxes everywhere. So we're gonna go through all of this stuff. And hopefully we can kind of organize everything else tonight. Okay, it has now been a couple of days since the IKEA trip. Our third roommate Abby got here, so we've like definitely made a lot of progress in setting up the apartment with like essentials and stuff like that. We've had quite a few dollar store runs buying like more cutlery, plates, all that kind of jazz. We're like filled up on like basics like Tupperware, Ziplocs, like a lot of the things you need to function in an apartment, I'd say. Obviously I wasn't gonna film every single time we go to like buy a mug or anything like that, but it's definitely pulling together. I think we've done good with cooking and everything as well because our fridge is obviously huge, so it's like filled up to the brim with a bunch of different ingredients and stuff that we've been using a lot. We've got a coffee machine now, we just bought a rice cooker, obviously we have a toaster, a blender, all of that stuff. We also finally set up Wi-Fi, which is good because that took like 3 weeks to do. We had a lot of issues and stuff like that, so that's finally done. But yeah, overall, I'm very excited for this year. I think living here is going to be lots of fun. There is still a lot of work to do though. We still want to do a lot of stuff to decorate and kind of make the place more our own. I definitely have a lot of stuff that I still want to do for my room, like decorations, posters, whatever it is. Because I have a lot of footage and a lot more still to film, I think I'm going to split this video up into 2 different parts. So now that you've seen us kind of like settle in, get all the essentials and stuff like that, I'm going to end the video right here, and then for the moving vlog part 2, I'm going to include more stuff of like me decorating my room, all of us figuring out things we can do with the walls in the main area and stuff like that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super excited to pull the whole apartment together and just excited for this year in general. I think it's going to be good. Hello. What? Oh yeah.
You never do your outro anymore.
I love you guys all to the moon and back.
I missed that.
Okay, I'll do the outro now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are excited for part 2 of it. I love you guys all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Isabel's cheering. She's excited that she heard it.
I'm used to